Hey, I'm Wesley Jeans, and this is Cross Strengthen. Hey, so I'm sure y'all have heard that we've been battling a lot of wildfires here in Texas. We had one not too far from our house about a month back. A lot here in this area. And I just shot that clip. I'm taking my lunch break over here at a local park. That helicopter came in for a landing. It's stationed here every day. You know, I don't know a whole lot about helicopters. I mean, I've always thought they're pretty cool, but I just don't take the time to research this. And that's one thing that pops in my head during the day. So if you're into helicopters and you know what kind of helicopter that is, why don't you drop something in the comment and let me know, man. I'm kind of interested. We've got another one coming over here that's landing in another end of the airport. I can't, because of the trees, I can't really get a shot of it, or otherwise I'd put it in there too. But hey, if y'all know what it is, let me know. Y'all have a great day. God loves you.